Hi everyone, this is Sinyoung from The More Beauty. Thank you for tuning in. Welcome to our easy, everyday, full face and neck massage with hands. No tools required for this natural face-lifting massage. Let's begin. First, we recommend prepping your clean skin with some sort of lubrication from a facial oil, serum, or moisturizer. I'm going to prep my skin with the Dewy Skin Cream from Tatcha. I've got a nice dollop of the moisturizer here. I'm going to put it on my palm like so and apply nice amount on my base, my neck, and my chest here. I'm applying a little bit more than I normally do for the facial massage because you really want a nice glide for your skin throughout your facial massage. So I'm going to gently apply all over. All over here. You want to use a lubrication that you can use even on your eye area without any irritation. Your hands as well. We're going to go up starting from our neck area with 3 swipes per section to counteract the constant downward effects of gravity and the aging process. So starting from the inner neck here, we're going to go up like this. 1, 2, 3. We're going to do the side next to it. 1, 2, 3. The other side right here. 1, 2, 3. The side next to it. 1, 2, 3. And we're going to do under our chin here for double chin prevention. So placing your hands like this, we're going to go up, wiggle at the edge. 2 more here, like so, like this. The other side. 1, 2, and the third. Release. And now we're going to do our jawline here, shaping up our jawline like this. 1, 2, 3, like so. Wiggle at the edge and release. We're going to slightly open our mouth here and work these areas to release any bunching. Like so, and release. And we're going to make our hands, fingers like this, and work under our cheekbone. Like so. 1, 2, 3. Release. And we're going to work our nose here like so. Releasing any congestion. Like so. Release. And we're going to shape up our upper cheek here. Like so. 1, 2. Third swipe here, release at the end, like so. Now we're going to work the eye area here. We're going to make our fingers like this again, and gently we're going to glide out. And at the edge, you can apply a little bit more pressure on your temples if you would like. 2 more here, like so. 1 more, like this. Release. We're going to do the upper eye here. Same movement here, like this. 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to work our forehead area. Make a gentle fist like this, and we're going to go like so. For this, we'll do more than 3, like this. Keep going up here. Up and out, up and out. Release. And we're going to gently tap our skin to boost the circulation and the radiance of our skin. All over. And now just roll your shoulders back and down a few times here, releasing any remaining tension you're carrying in your body, in your face. Well, if you enjoyed this video, found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you again for tuning in. Take care and stay hydrated. Bye bye.